I brought along the Huawei Nova 16 Pro this summer to see if it could handle all those difficult-to-photograph moments. Everyone has been talking about how powerful this generation of Nova phones is, but can it really conquer summer photography? Let's find out.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The first thing that grabbed my attention was the phone's color design. The shimmering back panel, the beautiful pink to blue gradient, and the subtle wave-like texture instantly reminded me of carefree summer holidays from my school days. Just holding it brings back that summer feeling. And speaking of design, Huawei has cleverly integrated the camera system into its new dual-lens layout. Inside are a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide macro camera, and the exclusive 20-megapixel purple peak camera system. So, what do you think about the look of the Nova 16 series? Now let's get to what really matters and start taking photos during the hottest time of the year. Beyond the impressive image quality, one thing that stood out was how well the Nova 16 Pro handled portrait shots in bright, rainy conditions with strong contrast between light and shadow. Highlights stayed under control instead of turning into a washed-out white mess, while shadow areas retained plenty of detail. Even when shooting directly into strong backlight, the background didn't become completely blown out, and faces remained properly exposed instead of turning into dark silhouettes. Of course, a good-looking photo preview isn't enough. Sooner or later, you're going to zoom in. If everything falls apart once you magnify the image, then the shot is basically useless. Thanks to its 200-megapixel main camera, the Nova 16 Pro can produce ultra-high-resolution images measuring 122288 by 16384 pixels in high-resolution mode. This makes multi-focal length shooting possible from a single image. Even after zooming in, details like facial features and individual strands of hair remain remarkably sharp. Whether it's a group photo, a distant landscape, or a street sign far away, you can inspect every detail later without losing clarity. What's equally impressive is how accurately the camera reproduces colors. The results look incredibly close to what your eyes actually see. This is made possible by the red-toned primary color lens working together with the industry's exclusive 200-megapixel RYYB ultra-large sensor main camera. It handles bright daylight beautifully, prevents faces from becoming too dark under strong lighting, preserves details when zooming in, and keeps colors realistic throughout. In other words, it solves many of the most common summer photography problems. But the real magic of summer often begins after sunset. That beautiful blue hour period creates the perfect atmosphere for neon-lit photography, yet it's also when blur and color shifts become most noticeable. The Nova 16 Pro tackles this with a massive 1/1.28-inch sensor, a large f1.8 aperture, and RYYB technology, allowing it to gather significantly more light. The result is lower noise and cleaner images in low-light situations. Combined with the red-toned primary color lens, white balance remains stable and accurate. Even in environments filled with different light sources, skin tones stay natural without unwanted color casts. The phone's 50-megapixel Periscope Telephoto Camera also features a large RYYB sensor, helping it capture even more light. Together with Huawei's accurate red-toned color reproduction, it performs exceptionally well in challenging lighting environments, such as concerts, making it a real standout feature. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera offers a broad 118-degree field of view while maintaining excellent sharpness across the frame. With focusing capabilities as close as 2.5 centimeters, it can reveal the textures of small objects and capture intricate details in flowers and plants. Even without carrying professional camera gear, your smartphone can handle these shots with ease. On the front, the Nova 16 Pro continues the strong selfie tradition of the Nova series. Its red wind camera technology accurately detects changes in color temperature under complex lighting conditions and restores natural-looking skin tones. Selfies appear more realistic, facial features look more defined, and the results are so good that you may not even feel the need to edit them afterwards. As for the rear camera portrait themes, AI-powered color-corrected silhouettes, and the ability to edit photos through voice interaction, I'll save those details for another time.
One of my favorite additions has to be the new live collage feature. You can still manually arrange and combine your photos if you want complete control, but you can also simply select a group of images and let the phone do the work. It automatically identifies the main subject, chooses an attractive layout, and creates a polished collage for you. Once it's done, you can instantly share it to popular social media platforms with just a single tap. Another feature that really impressed me is the new 3D dynamic photo mode. It takes ordinary motion photos and adds a spatial camera movement effect, creating the illusion that the camera is moving around and circling the subject. The result is incredibly eye-catching and looks amazing the moment you see it. It makes creating standout content surprisingly easy. After looking at so many sample photos and talking so much about summer photography, there is something equally important to consider. No matter how great a camera is, the overall experience needs to feel immersive and practical in everyday use. To achieve that, there are three major challenges that a phone has to overcome. The first is display brightness. It determines whether you can actually see your photos and videos clearly under strong sunlight, and whether media playback remains enjoyable outdoors. The Nova 16 Pro features a global peak brightness of 1600 nits and a dynamic peak brightness of 6000 nits. Even under intense summer sunshine, the screen remains bright, clear, and easy to view whether you're watching videos or reviewing your shots. The second challenge is heat management. During summer, long shooting sessions and extended usage can quickly generate a lot of heat. To address this, the Nova 16 Pro adopts an ice bridge cooling architecture. During testing, it handled demanding gaming sessions and lengthy video recording without any noticeable lag or overheating issues, maintaining stable performance throughout. The third and perhaps most important factor is battery life. Every model in the Nova 16 series comes equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, along with 100-watt wired supercharged turbo technology. After spending an entire day outdoors taking photos, recording videos, and having fun, you no longer need to carry a power bank with you. These three key concerns are all taken care of. Now let's move on to performance and software, which are topics many people care about most. The entire Nova 16 lineup is powered by the Kirin 9010S flagship processor. Although overall performance is about 10% lower compared to the previous generation, it still delivers smooth, high frame rate gameplay in titles such as Honor of Kings and PUBG Mobile. Whether you're gaming with roommates during the summer or fighting through an intense team battle, the experience remains stable and responsive. As for HarmonyOS 6.1, its smooth day-to-day performance speaks for itself. But for students and professionals, some of the smartest features may actually be the built-in AI learning tools. You can create a class schedule and have AI automatically import it into your calendar. It can connect with learning mode, activate Do Not Disturb when needed, and even convert lecture recordings into text in real time, while automatically highlighting key information. On top of that, RYYB can translate menus with a simple tap, making everyday tasks even more convenient. Simply put, this isn't just a smartphone that takes impressive photos, it's also a highly capable device for everyday life. The Nova 16 series really surprised me. The moments I most wanted to preserve, and the ones that are usually easiest to ruin, such as harsh midday sunlight, colorful night market neon lights, and distant scenes that require heavy zooming, were all captured beautifully by the Nova 16 Pro. And honestly, its design feels perfectly matched to the spirit of summer as well. If you're working with a smaller budget, the Nova 16 Digital Edition is definitely worth considering. It offers the same youthful styling,
4 color choices, a Kirin 9 series processor, a huge 7,000 mAh battery, and 100-watt fast charging. For everyday photography, video watching, and note-taking during classes, it has more than enough power, and the price is especially appealing. If you want something even more premium, the Nova 16 Ultra is also available. It offers additional high-end features and a cleaner, more minimalist design. But personally, I feel the Nova 16 Pro already gives me everything I need for an entire summer. This summer, I probably won't need to carry an extra camera anymore. All those memorable moments I want to keep forever are safely stored right here in this phone. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!